annual conference today, themes marking on constitutionalism and the rule of law as one of our main themes. And today we want to issue a statement arising from a discussion from the Senior Counsel Bar and the same raised before the membership today at the annual conference, that it was agreed by acclamation on the concerns with regards to the current Advocates Amendment Bill that purports to amend the manner and fashion upon which the rank of senior counsel is conferred. The attention of the Law Society of Kenya and the Senior Counsel Bar is drawn to the provisions of the Advocate Amendment Bill 2025, dated 17th June 2025, by the Honorable George Gitonga Murugara, Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs, which proposed to amend Section 17 of the Advocates Act on the conferment of the rank and dignity of senior counsel. The intended amendment proposes to vest the President of the Republic of Kenya with exclusive discretionary authority to confer the rank of senior counsel to certain advocates in public and political office, without reference to the Committee on Senior Counsel. In particular, it is intended that an ostensibly automatic right to be conferred the rank of senior counsel be extended to any person having served in the offices of Speaker or Deputy Speaker in any House of Parliament, Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, President of the Court of Appeal, Principal Judge of the High Court, Attorney General, Solicitor General, Director of Public Prosecution, Chairpersons of Parliamentary Committees on Constitution and Legal Affairs, and Presidents of the Council of the Law Society of Kenya. While the proper discharge of the function of each of these officers portend consequential impact to the nation, they do not automatically imply the standard of distinguished contribution to legal practice that is characteristic to the holders of the rank of senior counsel. The rank of senior counsel was introduced in 2003 as an acknowledgement of the need to recognize legal excellence, preserve professional standards, enhance mentorship and continuity of the profession, and formalize merit-based honoring among the professional peers. The rationale for the rank of senior counsel being conferred by the President is the modeling of the rank on the comparative honor of King's Castle in the United Kingdom.
And is solely to ratify it as a symbol. National honor over and above a mere internal professional designation. With the avoidance of doubt, the role of the President of the Republic of Kenya is not and has never been intended to be the discretionary authority to cherry-pick persons deserving of the rank. Just as the President's authority to appoint judges is strictly informed by the binding recommendations of the Judicial Service Commission, so is his role in conferring the rank of senior counsel limited to the recommendations of the Committee on Senior Counsel. We note that the meticulous process of the conferment as enunciated in the Advocates Senior Counsel Conferment and Privileges Rules 2011 ensures that only the best in the legal profession rise to the distinguished honor of senior counsel. All 66 current holders of the rank are distinguished individuals who exemplify what it means to be a legal judgment. Incidentally, a good number of the current 66 have previously served in public office, but deservedly and individually earned the right to be conferred the rank of senior counsel long before they eventually ascended to public office. Evidently, legal excellence is not hinged on the status of state offices. It is predicated on the individual capacity and contribution of esteemed legal practitioners.
Therefore, nothing precludes the holders of the listed offices from seeking conferment through the legally sound framework that exists. Every advocate of the High Court of the distinguished pedigree has a right to be considered fairly, procedurally, and objectively. The sponsor of the bill, our brother an advocate, Honorable Murugara, is at liberty to seek conferment under the existing process, just as his predecessor in the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, Honorable Abdikadir Mohammed, Senior Counsel, who we all recognize as a profession for his exemplary service as the committee chairman that led Kenya to the promulgation of the 2010 Constitution. Apart from the division, discord and litigation, the proposed adulteration of the rank and process of its conferment, it is an anathema and will create two classes of senior counsel. One class appointed by the President of the Republic and the other through peer review within the legal profession. It also betrays the quintessential purpose for which the rank exists. The President of the, and we emphasize this, the President of the Republic has full discretionary authority over national honors under the National Honors Act 2013 to confer any of the honors enumerated in the National Honors Regulations. We acknowledge that the President has zealously exercised this right as is his right, and that many of the office holders listed in the amendment bill have nonetheless already received such state honors. It is only proper that the purely professional enterprise of conferment of the rank of senior counsel be left to the exclusive professional process contemplated in law. Accordingly, we, Senior Counsel, the Law Society of Kenya Counsel, are calling upon Honorable Murugara as a professional, as a lawyer, to unconditionally withdraw the bill and urge that no further interference with the legal profession be conjured through unnecessary legislative changes. Section 4 of the Law Society of Kenya Act is clear that the society is charged with all